guys, Coyote Joseph here, and this is a power line. I'll describe why I'm naming things later on, but this is my old friend Bobby. And this is Bobby. Bobby, camera, Bobby.
Nice to meet you.
And this is a grand old flag. Just kidding, it's great. This is this one's stable. This is a kind of stable fence. And then these are weeds or something like that. This is not a really stable fence. You see. And then, is that new?
What? That's been there. And by the way, he's at my crib, so you know my crib's bigger.
What crib?
My crib.
Your crib?
Yes, my crib. I sleep in my crib. I'm a baby.
Oh yeah, I already discussed that.
Yeah, it's a freaking power line. Oh, hold on. Let me get one look at nature. If that already didn't give you a big enough hit, then I don't know what else would.
And this is, I don't know.
Oh, my dad puts those things on my dog's neck. It isn't tight. Don't worry, he's not an abuser. See, it was this wide on a pit bull. So he's pretty big pit bull. You know, he gave him a bath today, as you can see. Water holes.
Oh my gosh, look. My favorite thing in the whole world. A grill.
Boy.
But I don't know what this grill is. This
You fucking idiot.
is a fire pit.
Where we s'more marshmallows.
The thing that I just broke. This is another part. But look, zoom in. Or come over here by zoom in. I don't actually need to.
I zoomed into the floor. I know what you're talking about. Look at those spikes. See that? When you're mowing the lawn, that stuff right there is deadly. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
And he also got his foot stuck while we were working out earlier.
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta go put my shoes on. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, you see my feet now? Woo! Okay, I got them on. It was just really fuzzy out there. Did you pull that out of the ground?
No, it fell out.
Oh, well, isn't that unfortunate?
Now it's over there.
Yeah, my water hose is pretty big.
Boy, you're not even still recording.
Yes, I am. It's on pause, see?
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna pause it right here just for a minute.
Okay, sorry for that altercation.
I was just confused. You're a grand old flag, you're an ugly flag. Okay, guys, I don't need that. Oh my
Answer
God.
yes.
Oh, give it.
What do you want to look at?
No, just give it.
Okay, the camera's going over to this guy. Oh, wait, let me kind of unzoom this. Okay, there you go.
Does that give y'all a hint about what we're describing today? Describing? And then what is the heck is
We
that?
should probably get out of here. There's a whole bunch of bees if you didn't see. That
Wait,
flower.
there is?
Yep, that flower he's pointing at. If you have a close eye,
There's a bee.
there is specifically a bee on that one flower. I mean, I don't know if you... Oh, no, it's that flower right here. See him? Yep, I see it on the camera. Y'all should see it right now.
Okay, let's get out of here.
It's just the sunflowers, the honey, and crap like that. Oh, this is legit my whole backyard.
Zoom.
Then you turn it around.
Zoom.
Oh, yeah, probably should have zoom. And then, you know, blah, blah, blah.
And all those things I described. And remember that I was pointing things that he said if you were mowing the grass are deadly. If he was talking about pollen.
Nope, not today. Oh, wait, hold on a second. I'm sorry for this interruption. My shoe hurts me. Okay, we're back to a game. Oh, I said game.
This is what he was talking about. is a stable wall.
Hold on, just watch this. Watch this. Sharp.
Okay.
The grill. Oh, by the way, guys, there's been sightings of like coyotes running through this alley, but let's get back to the video. Life.
Beautiful tree.
Okay, well, dude, I mean, we should probably talk about anything. There's been kind of something. Are you okay? You don't. What? Yeah, you're funny. It's recording too. I'm sorry, all you guys didn't get that. Joey tried to make a scene where he was laying on the ground because he faked it because of the beautiful nature, and his foot kicked that thing and it almost fell on his head. And oh my god!
I love nature.
Dude, I swear to God, that stuff was like, okay, you see this here? If Joseph did not, this is where Joey was laying down. If he did not move, this brick would have fell. Just imagine my foot being his head, just fell directly on his head and crushed his face. Oh my god, dude, you almost died. Holy crap. Wow. Let me just like zoom out so it's like not. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. But we're 6 minutes and 45 seconds in. And we're doing, I guess, fine. But the nature is beautiful today.
Okay, get over here.
And we're going back to you. What's up?
Top. Top.
Okay. Beautiful nature.
This, I'm not sure if this is the thing I described first, that I can barely reach, but it's actually okay.
Oh, he's not tall enough, you know. It's easy for me.
So,
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yes, look at his reach, though. He's like barely reaching. Then if you look at my reach, I'm like barely curling my arm.
me too.
And boy. Okay, well.
Okay, guys. Since I've left y'all hanging the whole video, back to describing the beautiful nature.
That's not nature. That's man-made.
You think I care?
And, yeah.
Okay, the power line, if it gets struck by anything, if like anything bad happens to it, then you're out of power. Okay, pause. Didn't I describe my old friend Bob?
Yep, you described Bob loud and clear.
Bob. Say hi to Bob. Say
Hi.
Bob.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Bob.
That's the side of my house, by the way. Let me just, for old sakes, let's show him my backyard. I mean, the side of my house.
Oh yeah, let me show them the trash can too.
Oh yeah, this is the other side of the neighbor's house. Nobody lives there anymore. You know, people move.
And
Which is most. And look at that.
probably has a lot of rocks behind that.
There's no. I'm scared like anything coming out of that. That's not a fact. Well, let's keep moving. That enters my garage. You know what? Let me see if it's unlocked. What is? Hey, this is my garage. It's very messy.
Is Ariel in there?
No. Oh yeah, there's a street cat named Oreo that you know, lives around here.
That one there?
And that's its poop. And then that's my dog's poop.
Friends, old friends. Hi, Lee. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lita. This is my friends. They help you compose.
Yeah, and they smell disgusting.
They
Swear.
smell good. Very good. And they smell good. Okay.
Okay, we just got done, you know, doing the thing y'all saw before.
Yeah, you're not gonna describe everything. I just thought that it was.
Oh my God! This coyote! This coyote!
Open the fence.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, hurry up! Get back to you guys when we're safe. Guys, I have no clue where we are. We came at my house again because we ran around over there. That was his house to go around that corner.
Yeah, I totally live right there.
That's not his house. That's somebody else's house.
I wish.
But
We just got chased.
around the block, as soon as we locked that fence, there was a Rottweiler that chased me before I went to his house earlier. We're gonna check if the coyote's there. Okay, we're entering the fence right now. Guys, this is open. I think he went in here. I didn't shut the door all the way last time. It's not in here. Run, run. It's on the ground.
Was it really?
No, I just heard a bang in there. My house is haunted, but there's a freaking coyote somewhere. Just let this thing focus. It's not focusing. Okay. It's gone. Well, we gotta check the other side of my house. I'm not gonna lean around the corner. No, there's not anything back there. What? What?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. I think he was trying to leave the fence because now that's cracked open. But hey, there's one more side of the house we gotta check. This side is good. Just gotta check this side. Once again, you guys are gonna be around the corner. Don't see anything. There's nothing. We're good. We're good then. Okay, we're out. Okay, we're going back to the front to do like the outro of the video. But look, let me just show you over here. When you heard that, I don't know if you heard it, but I heard it when I was looking over the corner. Bam! All my wood, it's chewed open.
Did it sound like that?
Yeah, that's exactly what it sounded like. It was trying to get out, and I think it did. This is very tall grass, so we don't know what's in it, but yeah, so catch you guys in a second. I paused it. Okay, this is me, and I don't know if you guys can see us right now, but we just legit got chased by a coyote. No clickbait, no clickbait. This is not clickbait. God.
Nope, that's not fake.
Yeah, it's not fake. Oh, and by the way, this is the outro of the video, but one more time, nature. That's a car. Okay, well, love you guys. Peace.